As we move into 2025, the demand for portable power stations continues to rise, driven by the increasing need for reliable energy sources for outdoor adventures, emergency backup, and everyday convenience. Whether you're planning a camping trip, hosting an outdoor event, or simply want to ensure you have power during unexpected outages, the right portable power station can make all the difference. Here's a look at the 5 best portable power stations of 2025, showcasing their features, capabilities, and what sets them apart from the competition. Number 5. Anker Solix F2000 is an innovative power station that redefines portable energy solutions. Designed for outdoor enthusiasts and emergency backup needs alike, this versatile device combines high-capacity power storage with advanced technology to ensure you always stay connected and powered up, no matter where life takes you. With a robust battery capacity, the Solix F2000 can effortlessly power multiple devices simultaneously, from smartphones to laptops and even small appliances. Its array of ports, including USB-C, USB-A, and AC outlets, provides flexibility for various charging needs. Whether you're camping in the wilderness, hosting a backyard party, or preparing for a power outage, the Solix F2000 can provide reliable energy on demand. One of the standout features of the Solix F2000 is its fast charging capability. Utilizing Anker's cutting-edge technology, it can recharge quickly from a wall outlet or via solar panels, making it an eco-friendly choice for those who prefer renewable energy sources. Additionally, the power station's compact and durable design ensures it can withstand the rigors of outdoor adventures while being easy to transport. Furthermore, the Solix F2000 comes equipped with smart features, such as an LCD display that provides real-time information about battery status and power consumption. This allows users to monitor their energy usage, maximizing efficiency and ensuring they never run out of power unexpectedly. Number 4. YEF EcoFlow Delta 2 is a powerful portable power station designed to meet the energy needs of outdoor enthusiasts, travelers, and anyone looking for a reliable backup power source. With a sleek and compact design, it offers impressive capacity and versatility, making it an ideal choice for camping trips, road trips, or even home emergencies. Equipped with a robust lithium-ion battery, the Delta 2 boasts a capacity of 1024 Wh, providing ample energy to charge multiple devices simultaneously, including smartphones, laptops, cameras, and small appliances. This makes it particularly useful for off-grid adventures where traditional power sources are unavailable. One of the standout features of the Delta 2 is its rapid charging capability. It can be charged from an AC outlet in just under an hour, and it also supports solar panel charging, allowing users to harness renewable energy for a sustainable power solution. With multiple output options including AC, USB-C, and DC ports, it caters to a wide range of devices, ensuring you stay powered no matter your needs. Moreover, the Delta 2 comes equipped with smart features such as an LCD display that provides real-time information on battery life, input, output power, and remaining charge time. This user-friendly interface makes it easy to monitor and manage your power usage. In addition to its impressive performance, the YEF EcoFlow Delta 2 is built with durability in mind. Number 3. Jackery Explorer 1000 is a powerful portable power station designed to meet the needs of outdoor enthusiasts, campers, and anyone requiring reliable power on the go. With a robust capacity of 1002 Wh, this unit can easily charge or power a wide array of devices, from smartphones and laptops to small appliances and power tools, making it an ideal companion for camping trips, road trips, or emergency backup situations. One of the standout features of the Explorer 1000 is its versatility in charging options. It is equipped with multiple output ports, including AC outlets, USB-A and USB-C ports, and a DC car port. This allows users to charge several devices simultaneously, ensuring that all your gadgets remain powered up when you're off the grid. Additionally, the Explorer 1000 can be recharged using solar panels, a car charger, or via a standard wall outlet, giving users flexibility in how they keep their power station topped up. The design of the Jackery Explorer 1000 is both functional and user-friendly. It features a clear LCD display that shows real-time information on battery status, input, output wattage, and remaining run time. Weighing in at approximately 22 pounds, it strikes a balance between portability and power, and its sturdy handle makes it easy to transport. Number 2. Anker Solix C1000 is a versatile and powerful energy solution that caters to the needs of outdoor enthusiasts, tech lovers, and anyone in search of reliable power on the go. Designed with portability and efficiency in mind, This compact power station boasts a robust battery capacity, allowing users to charge multiple devices simultaneously, from smartphones and tablets to laptops and small appliances. One of the standout features of Solix C1000 is its array of output ports, including USB-A, USB-C, and AC outlets, which provide flexibility for various charging needs. Whether you're camping in the wilderness, enjoying a picnic in the park, or facing a power outage at home, the Anker Solix C1000 ensures that your essential devices remain powered and functional. In addition to its impressive power capabilities, the Solix C1000 is built with Anker's signature safety features, including short-circuit protection and temperature control, giving users peace of mind while using the device. Its sleek design and lightweight construction make it easy to transport, while the durable materials ensure it can withstand the rigors of outdoor adventures. Moreover, the Anker Solix C1000 is designed for efficiency, featuring smart charging technology that optimizes power output according to the device being charged. This not only speeds up charging times, but also enhances overall battery life. Number 1. Bluetti AC200L is an advanced portable power station that has rapidly garnered attention for its impressive capabilities and versatility. Designed for both outdoor adventures and emergency backup power, this unit boasts a robust battery capacity of 2,000 Wh, providing ample energy to keep your devices charged and running. Whether you're camping in the wilderness, hosting an outdoor event, or preparing for a power outage at home, the AC200L is engineered to meet your energy needs. One of the standout features of the Bluetti AC200L is its multiple output options. With a variety of ports, including AC outlets, USB-A, USB-C, and a carport, it can power a wide range of devices from smartphones and laptops to small appliances like mini fridges and electric grills. This versatility makes it an ideal companion for both tech enthusiasts and those who enjoy outdoor lifestyles. Additionally, the AC200L is designed with user-friendly features, such as a clear LCD screen that displays important information like battery status, output wattage, and remaining usage time. This allows users to monitor their power consumption effectively. The power station also incorporates advanced battery management systems to ensure safety and longevity, protecting against overcharging, overheating, and short circuits. Charging options for the Bluetti AC200L are equally impressive. It can be recharged via an AC outlet, solar panels, or a car charger, providing flexibility for different scenarios.